This is the Electric Victor A.C. DeLuxe ceiling fan, and I got it. It supposedly was not working, and so I just started, taking things apart, and there was a lot of old wiring down, up through the middle of the fan, and here on the speed coil, and there was a terminal block which I removed, and anyway, I took the lower motor cover off, and boy, everything just looked so nice and tight and clean under there once I blew everything out. I just thought, I don't know. And God, that rotor is just huge. I mean, this thing is like a tank. I don't think I've ever seen a rotor that big. But anyway, I just thought, well, once I got things cleaned out a little bit, I thought I'd hook up the leads to the motor and put some power to it. And as it turned out, it's not so dead after all. Anyway, here we go. Yahoo!